In this Maya tutorial, we are going to learn how we can reset the Maya software. When you are a beginner and you are learning Maya software, you mess up all these things and you don't know how to get back to the original position. And it's quite confusing if you lose this kind of menus to get back them. So in this scenario, you can reset your Maya software. One thing you need to understand at here. Once you reset your software, then one more time you need to recreate the shortcut keys and the interface as per your choice. Or you want to use the default interface, then that's also fine. So to reset the Maya software, first you need to close it and then you need to go to the documents and here you need to find the Maya. And then here is the 2020. I'm using the Autodesk Maya 2020. Then click on this 2020 and here you will get different presets. You need to select all these presets and just need to press delete key and delete them. That's it. Now we don't have any preset at here. And one more time I'm going to open the Maya software and you can see here I have created one more time these presets. And you can see failed to apply the color management settings on file open, failed to finalize the color transformation. So it means what? You need to recreate your interface. So I have got this kind of interface. Just wait for a minute. And you are going to get this kind of interface when you install Maya. Just turn off this show this at startup and then close it. Now I need to recreate the interface as per my choice. I can show you here. I can go to the display and then I can change the grid settings at here. I can change its color like this. Let's go with the till and then apply and I will get this kind of display for the grid. So this is about resetting Maya software. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then please hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video, take care.